Hello guys, in this tutorial we will talk about the Quant network. So what is the Quant? The Quant networks aims to address one of the key challenges in the blockchain space, which is the lack of interoperability between various blockchain platforms. The project seeks to create an operating system for blockchains called Overledger, which enables cross-chain communication and compatibility. Overledger acts as a bridge that connects different blockchains, allowing them to work together and exchange data and assets securely. The native cryptocurrency of the Quant network is called QNT. You can see here. QNT plays a vital role within the ecosystem as it serves as a utility token. It is used to pay for services on the Quant network and provides access to the Overledger platform. And additionally, KNT can be staked to participate in the network's consensus mechanism, contributing to its security and governance. So, this is a short path about Quant. Hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see next time.